Taos, New Mexico has become famous for an unexplained auditory phenomenon known as the Taos Hum. Described as a persistent, low-frequency humming noise, it has baffled scientists, residents, and visitors alike since the early 1990s. Theories abound, ranging from secret military experiments to auditory hallucinations induced by stress or other psychological factors. Intriguingly, not everyone can hear it, leading some to speculate about the unique hearing capabilities of certain individuals. Advanced sound analysis technologies, including infrasound detection equipment, are currently being employed to uncover the source of this mysterious noise. Despite these efforts, the Taos Hum continues to defy explanation, sparking curiosity and debate in the community committed to solving this enigma.